Okay, so as you can see in this room, there's a little window, so there's fresh air coming in, and I'm just circulating that air into my studio. I have these two ducts, both going to inline duct fans. There's one right there, and there is the other one, and then on the other end of both of the ducts, it's going into the live room and the control room. So I'm just going to head down now that you can see it. So that's the noise that they make outside. Now if we go in the room, that's the noise that they're making. And then to give you an idea of how much air it's actually blowing in here, I'm going to hold up a tissue, and as you can see it's waving quite a bit.